Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Fastlane for iOS release automation, full guide step by step clearly. First, open your terminal on Mac OS. Ensure that you have Ruby installed on your system. You can verify this by typing rubyv in the terminal. If Ruby is not installed, you can install it using a version manager like RVM or benv. Next, install Fastlane by running the command sudo gem install fastlane nv. This command installs Fastlane and its necessary components. Once installed, navigate to your iOS project directory in the terminal. You can do this by using the cd command followed by your project path. Now, initialize Fastlane by typing Fastlane in it. This command will guide you through the setup process. You will be prompted to choose between various Fastlane functionalities. Select the option for automating your iOS release by typing the corresponding number. Fastlane will then create a fast file in your project directory. Open the fast file in your preferred code editor. You will need to specify the lane for your release process. Add a lane for the release, for example, lane release do. Within this lane, define the actions that Fastlane should perform. You can start by adding the build_app action to build your app. Next, add the upload_to_up_store action to upload your app to the. Make sure to configure this action with your app's credentials and metadata. If you need to automate tests, consider adding run_tests before the build action. You might also want to set up provisioning profiles and certificates. Use the match action in your fast file to handle code signing. Once you have set up your fast file, save your changes. Now, run your first lane by executing Fastlane release in the terminal. Fastlane will begin to execute the actions defined in your lane. Monitor the output to ensure that each step completes successfully. If you encounter errors, refer to the outputs for specific guidance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.